How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly deposit money or add funds to your Capital One account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the cool thing about it is there are actually a variety of ways in which you could add money to your Capital One account. So there's direct deposit, there's Zelle, so this application Zelle, there's the ATM and branch method, a mobile deposit, basic money transfer, and add cash in store, which actually goes through the application. So many ways to do it, but the method I'm going to show you guys will be the add cash in store, as this one you get to do in the mobile app. So what you guys need to do is this. You want to make sure that you install the Capital One application. So you can find that on the Google Play Store or the App Store or iOS Store. I don't know what you call it. And basically sign in from there. So once you've installed it, sign in, and from the dashboard, you want to choose the 360 checking option. And then next, you want to choose total control checking or simply checking count if you want to add cash. Then you want to scroll down, and there should be an option to add cash in store. So next, you want to get your barcode. So basically, enter the amount of cash that you want to add, and you'll receive a unique barcode. And next, what's going to happen is you're going to check out of whatever store which you bought an item from and show the cashier or the salesperson the barcode. And basically, what they'll do is they'll scan it, and they will have made the transfer. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.